Hi, and welcome to day 25 and 26 of documenting my journey for 1 year. And in previous 2 days, I was implementing some new updates and features inside my app. And during those 2 days, I was uh, implementing a feature which led users to download a certain image inside the gallery and to share that same certain image in WhatsApp via a pre-written message under the image. So while implementing these features, I was required to download some certain libraries which would help you to download the image. But what happened was that the libraries were outdated, and due to which not just the feature broke, but my app in whole started crashing at the root level. I wasn't able to open app at all. First of all, I was very sad that now I will have to spend some hours debugging the whole code, what went wrong and where went wrong. But luckily, I was maintaining certain versions of an app. I committing some changes whenever I made a successful change. The change was working. I used to commit it on local computer, which helped me maintain certain versions. And luckily, I was able to revert back to the previously fine working version of the application, which led me to not spend 3 to 4 hours debugging what went wrong. And this is where I thought that sharing with you that how much version controlling is important if you are building certain applications or if you have an application. For example, you have an app and there are hundreds and thousands of users on the app, and you push an update and users install and use it, but there are certain bugs inside the app, and if you do not have a version controlling, it would take 3 to 4 hours debugging what went wrong, and which would lead to loss of some users as they may just uninstall the app. Whereas if you have version control, you can quietly revert back to the previously fine working version until you debug what went wrong inside the new update. I recommend you that if you are a beginner, if you are starting with some projects, make sure you have Git installed in your computer, or if you are working on GitHub, make a repository over there and commit all of your changes for the project you are building, which will help you to control each and every change you made and every version which you created. These are the commands which you need to run to install Git inside your local PC. And once you have ran these commands, from that point on, each and every project will be safely secured inside your computer. And today's lesson is simple, that building some new unique features is exciting, but maintaining each and every version of your application is also that much critical. Version control isn't something that you may add later or you may not add at all, but it is something that you need to implement before starting of an application. And that's all for day 26. I'll see you in next update. Until then, keep building.